Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So I have a Joann's haul for you guys. It's going to be a short haul, guys, because some of you may have seen my walkthrough. If you haven't, I'll link it down below if you're interested. They didn't have any Valentine's Day stuff out at my Joann's. I asked the lady, where's the Valentine stuff? Because I saw paper pads online and a stamp that I wanted online. Just a few things. And I want those little jars that have like, the little sequins and like little clay bits. And they didn't have any of that, you guys. So they had tons of Christmas stuff, like an insane amount of Christmas stuff. They were selling the Maggie Holmes Forever Fields collection, which I was surprised to see there because I haven't been to Joann's in forever. I really only go to Joann's when they have the sale on the cardstock, and I need some more of the Basil cardstock. So if anyone knows when that goes on sale, please let me know because I want to stock up on some more Basil cardstock. I love taking advantage of that sale. But yeah, they didn't have anything, and I was so disappointed. I asked the lady, where is the Valentine's Day stuff? Because I was upset that I had drove all the way over there for nothing, and I couldn't find like those little jars online or anything. And I was just like, what is going on? So she said that that they only have 2 workers, one in the front, one in the back, and I'm just like, come on, it's about to be February, and Valentine's Day is February 14th. Like, this stuff should be out for us to grab. But maybe it's a good thing because by the time eventually they put it out, maybe it'll be on clearance, so it'll be a win. But I don't know, guys. So this haul is going to be basically just the ribbons that I purchased from Joann's. And guys, oh my God, they're so beautiful. Now they have tons more. I didn't grab everything that was in the store. They had some beautiful laces. They had some really cute heart trims and stuff like that. Like, solid satin ones, and then like little heart, not heart shaped, you know what I mean? Like this. Let me show you, for instance, this is one of the ones that they had. And I wasn't going to grab this because I have a lot of this stuff in my stash, especially from Temu and like AliExpress and stuff like that. But I went back and I got it because, okay, I bought one bunch of trims and it said it was 40% off. But when the lady rang me up, it was ringing 50% off, and I didn't notice till I got in the car. So I said, let me go back and get me some more trims, y'all. And this is the pink one. So I only grabbed one of this because, like I said, I have a lot of this kind of stuff in my stash, and I feel like I can get this on Temu and stuff like that. So, I mean, it was a good price. $2, I guess, for 3 yards. I think that's a decent price, guys. You do get 3 yards, a little more than Dollar Tree, I would say. But I snatched that. This was my second go round because I wanted to get just the ones that I wanted. I wasn't sure how much it's going to come up to. So I grabbed that trim. And then I'm not really a big red fan. You guys already know this about me. I'm starting to like it. But I'm more of a pink girl. Like, and especially with Valentine's Day, I'll use a tiny bit of red, but not a lot. So I did grab this one just because it was 50% off, like I said. And this one comes with 3 yards. It's 7/8 of an inch wide. And let me see. I don't know if this will help you guys. Oh, it shows you how to do a bow. How to make a double bow. It gives you the instruction, guys. That's cool. So, yeah. I purchased this. This was my second go round. So, I went a little crazy with the trims. But not... I just grabbed one of those. This one I grabbed multiples of. I think that this trim is so beautiful, you guys. It feels like a canvas material in the middle, or like a burlap material. So it's like that type of material. It has conversation hearts, which I'm obsessed with. And I love that the colors are different. Like, it's a different color scheme. It's like this muted, and then you got the, the conversation hearts, and like the softer pink, like a more muted pink, and the red. I think it's so beautiful, guys. And then the sides are ribs with a scallop edge, and they're like a satin. So this is so beautiful, guys. This one comes with 3 yards as well. And so I grabbed several of these. I did make a few bows. Hopefully you guys saw my tier tray video. This is a new die that's coming to scrapdivadesigns.com on February the 1st. And so I filled it with bows, and mainly they're the bows from Joann's. So I just tied a few bows. I haven't put any centers to them. I'm not sure what center to put on them, actually. But they're so beautiful. I love this trim so much. It's so gorgeous. I have a weakness for trims. I have so many trims, and I don't think I'll ever have enough. Like, I think that if there's beautiful trims for sale, I'm going to always snatch them. The next trim that I had to have was this one. Oh my God, it's so pretty, guys. So it feels like a satin ribbon, but it's like, it looks textured. Like, it's just so beautiful. Look at it. It's gorgeous. This one is regularly $6. I got it for half off, and this one comes with 4 yards, and it's 1.5 inches wide. So this is going to make, obviously, bigger bows. It's so beautiful, you guys. You know, I had to get a few of these. And I don't know, maybe if I go get some, like, Basil cardstock, if it ever goes on sale soon, I will purchase more if they have more. But look at how pretty, you guys. I did a double loop bow. Double loop bows are my favorite. Oh, my God. Like, look. Come on. Like, come on. Come on. So I tied a double loop bow, and then this one I just did like a little single one, and it looks a little wider. So they're just gorgeous. Oh my God, so pretty. So I grabbed that one. This is another one that I had to have. I grabbed a few of this one. This one is $6.99. So this one's like the most expensive, I want to say. And it comes with 4 yards. It's 2.5 inches wide. So it's wider than the other one. But look at how beautiful it is, guys. It has like a checkered type of pattern. And it's like a soft cotton or something. Does it say what it's made of? No, I don't think so. But yeah, all these, they show you how to make a bow. And it's so beautiful. So I did use this on a project. I use it on Happy Crafter Shop's heart bag. This is currently sold out. Lisa, let us know if you're going to restock this. Everyone wants this to be restocked. I'm not sure. You guys are going to have to harass Lisa. Go harass her about this die set. She may restock it, guys. I mean, she restocked some things. So I think she may restock it if she has enough people asking for it. So definitely message her. And then I tied another one. And it's just so beautiful. Oh, my God. I love bows, guys. They just make me so happy. So that is the $7 one. It's the most expensive one. And I did get like 2 or 3, I think. So it was half off for what, $3.50? And you get 4 yards again. And it's 2.5 inches wide. So I think it's the widest one that they had. And then this one, oh my God. This one probably is my favorite one, you guys. I've been like, ever since the Hobby Lobby bows, I've been so stuck on the velvet trim. So this one's regularly $4.99. You can get it now for $2.50. And if you do like in-store pickup, you can get another 20% off, guys. So take advantage of that. Look online, see if your store has it, and do that, because I didn't save anything extra off of this stuff. So this one comes with 3 yards. It's 7/8 of an inch wide, and it is gorgeous. It is so pretty. So you know I had to make some bows out of this one. Look at how beautiful. Oh my God. I'm sorry, guys. I know it's stupid that I get like this over bows, but I really just truly do love bows. They're just so pretty. And then I did some smaller ones. Let me see if I can find some smaller ones. I just cut it down, and I actually have a tutorial on how to create these velvet bowls, like the Hobby Lobby ones. So I did cut it down. I think I cut it into half maybe. Yeah, I cut it in half, and then I just created these using the technique that I did with the Hobby Lobby bowls. So you can get multiple sizes, as you can see. Oh my God, they're so pretty, you guys. Go to Joann's right now and go get some, and then get me some too while you're there. Don't be stingy. Send me some too. Look at how pretty, you guys. It's so beautiful. So this one probably has to be my favorite, guys. I need to find those jars. I'm trying to be patient. They're not available in my store. I don't think they're available for shipping either, if I'm not mistaken. How much do you get on this? 3 yards. How much do I have left? So you see, 3 yards is really not that much. I didn't make that many bows. So I did get multiples of this one, but I think that if I do get some more, I'm definitely gonna grab like 3 or 4 more of these because it's just gorgeous. And the velvet is different. It's like crinkled. So it's gorgeous. And then I also got these two. So before I even found this trim, this is the first trim that I saw. I saw that the Christmas trim was, I think, 70 or 90% off. And this one comes with 3 yards. It's 7/8 of an inch. And it's got these pretty candy canes with a pink background, and it's satin. And there's like some snowflakes, like little snowfall. It's really cute. And then I also grabbed this one. This one is ribbed. And I actually love ribbed pink trim. I need to find some like solid, like a huge bulk of it. But this one was regularly $5.99, 90% off, and the same thing, 3 yards, 7/8 of an inch. So I did add in 2 of these. I should have just left it, but I couldn't, guys. I should have grabbed more of the velvet one, but I couldn't. It was a good price, and they were pretty. And then last but definitely not least, I picked up this thread. So they did have a smaller one. This is pretty pricey. I think this was $12 or something, but I did have a 40% off coupon, and this is the Silky 40, and the number, if you're interested, is 1047, you guys. You can also get this in a smaller spool, and it's cheaper. I think like the smallest one is $5. And then always check the app because they usually have, you know, like a 40% off a regular price item or something like that coupon. So yeah, if you're interested in this color, again, the color number is 1047. It's just a really pretty mint. And I wasn't sure if I have any mint in my stash. I may or may not. I'm leaning towards I don't, because I really don't use mint too much. But I'm going to pop this into my sewing machine soon and create with it. I think this is going to be really pretty. So yeah, I grabbed that. And that's it, guys. That is it for my haul. I do have some stuff that I have to show you guys from Amazon, and just little things that I've been grabbing here and there for the past couple of weeks. Anytime I get a little extra change or something, you know, I'm gonna go spend like $20 or something at the stores. I'm trying not to do too much. But again, I love Valentine's Day crafting, and they have just all this like, you know, bow theme items and stuff, and I feel like I have to have it. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you're going to Joann's to go snatch this ribbon. And oh my God, I can't wait to find those jars. I want to share them, and I don't have them. I need to have them, especially the little kiss ones. So I'm going to keep looking. And guys, again, let me know. Keep me posted on when Joann's has that cardstock on sale. I think it goes like, what is it? 10 for $3. They raise the prices, or I don't know. But let me know when it goes on sale, guys, so I can run and snatch it. All right, I love you guys. I hope you all have a great day, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.